Well, what a fairy tale it has been for Team RCB and Virat Kohli. Look, in the first 17 years, they didn't get a single championship, and meanwhile, in the back-to-back seasons, they got two IPL trophies, and that will be remembered for long. Look, RCB are not holding them back right now. You have to appreciate Rajat Patidar's captaincy. You have to appreciate his batting skills as well. RCB's bowling is in top notch in this season, and their batting also. Look how Virat Kohli played throughout this season, how Tim David played throughout this season, and those cameos for Devdutt Padikkal. Look, they deserve to be the champions again, and they did it very nicely. Kudos to RCB, and they are the champions of Tata IPL 2026. Hats off.